Hi. Today I am going to share plastic pollution and its solutions. We all know we are facing a serious and a very crucial problem in our life today. It affects land, water and marine life. Many people use without thinking about the long-term impact. As a result, huge amount of plastics end up in oceans and landfills. However, this issue can be reduced if we take proper steps. For example, we can switch to reusable bags and bottles, and we can avoid unnecessary plastic usages. I think in early times we are using a lot of undegradable plastics. Now I thinking about really shocking. Okay, we are using too much plastics that all are dumped in oceans and lands. Okay. In addition, a government can enforce the strict rules and promote recycling programs. Therefore, by changing our daily habits and raising awareness, we can gradually reduce the plastic pollution and protect our environment and future generation. Thank you.